With the difficult economic times and high unemployment, it is no wonder more people are looking for personal loans. Many are also asking the question, should I get a personal loan? The answer to this question is probably more to do with your own financial circumstances than what the lender might be thinking. Personal loans will be different from one person to another. These are loans where the person who has the least credit score and the lowest credit limit is the first to qualify. Lenders and borrowers alike have found that using personal loans as an alternative to regular credit cards is more popular than most people realize. Lenders are finding that people's desperate need for easy money has resulted in many more people getting into financial trouble than they thought. That is why it is often seen that when individuals look to use personal loans, they seek out one type of lender. While that might be true in some cases, it is a little unfair to say that these lenders are imposing unfair standards. There are certainly times when they are, but it is more due to the fact that lenders want to make sure they do not lose money on a personal loan than the lenders not wanting to take a risk on a loan. If you are interested in getting a personal loan, be aware that the first thing that you need to do is find a good lender. There are thousands of lenders across the country. Finding a good lender to work with should not be too difficult, but there are a few things you should remember before doing so. First of all, each lending institution is going to have different rules and regulations about personal loans. You should be wary of any company that requires a credit check, as you may end up with bad terms and conditions that will cost you more in the long run. Some companies even state that you can't get a personal loan if you have bad credit, although this is not entirely true. Most lending institutions now offer their customers a choice of how they want to pay back the loan. This means that you are able to pay the loan off easily through monthly payments or try to make higher interest rates. It is important to do your research so that you can compare the different options. When you are looking for different lenders, make sure that you compare fees and charges. The best way to do this is to write down each company and how much they charge for the loan. Make sure that you understand how much interest is added to the loan and for how long, and that is by comparing these costs. Another good idea is to go online and look up the companies you are considering. Lenders that require a credit check are harder to find online. You should also check out other personal loans from other companies to see which ones are better than others. A good tip is to compare all of the fees and charges with the interest rate. Lenders are only charging you a fee if you pay it back in full and not paying the interest. When comparing companies, you should remember that many charge an additional fee or late fee that is not included in the interest rates. Finally, always get several quotes from different lenders. Ask about payment options and the terms that apply to the loan. This will allow you to see the differences between different lenders and the types of terms that each lender offers. A good tip is to take the time to compare loans online. In addition to making the process easier for you, it will make it a lot easier for you to get a loan that is best suited to your own needs.